In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Drive in grid layout. If you prefer big, visual thumbnails over a long list of file names, this quick change will make browsing your drive much easier, especially for photos, slides, and videos. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Any Google page works here, so if you're already on a Google homepage or another Google service, you're in the right place. Up in the top right corner of the page, look for the small icon made of 9 dots arranged in a square. This is the Google Apps launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From the Apps panel, choose Drive. That opens your files in Google Drive. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll the panel. You can drag Drive higher in that grid later for quicker access. When Drive opens, you'll land on My Drive, or the last folder you visited. You should see your files and folders in the center of the page, with a toolbar along the top. Now, to switch to Grid View, look toward the upper right area above your files. There's a View toggle icon that switches between List and Grid. It typically looks like a small grid of squares when List View is active. Click that icon once, and your files will immediately rearrange into a grid of tiles with larger previews. That's it. You're now viewing Google Drive in grid layout. Grid View is great because it shows bigger thumbnails, making it faster to recognize images, slides, and PDFs at a glance. You can still hover over a file to see details, right-click to open the context menu, and use all the same actions you would in List View. If you decide you want to switch back to List View at any time, just click the same icon again. Drive usually remembers your last choice in this browser, so the next time you open it, it will keep the layout you picked. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If you're organizing a lot of visual content, Grid View can save you time because you won't need to open each file to confirm what it is. And if your screen feels crowded, you can zoom your browser in or out to fit more or less on the page without changing the drive setting itself. That's all you need to do to view Google Drive in grid layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more visual way to browse your files.